Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to make your Facebook profile completely private. But before we get started, I wanna let you know guys, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. So what you need to do is you need your Android device, and right now I am using an emulator, as you guys can see. Then go to your Facebook app and click on the three vertical lines, scroll down, and then you can see settings and privacy. You have to go to settings and privacy, then you have to go to privacy shortcuts, right? Click on that, and here you can see there are options. So what you need to do, review a few important privacy settings. You have to click on here, and then you can see there are options. So who can see what you share? So click on that. Now you can see my email is already only me set on, so I have to set my birthday. So click set it only me, and here also your birthday date. Now so there every single options you have to click on only me. You have to set on only me every single privacy setting. Then go to next. Then what you need to do is your future post, set this only me. Now your stories, if you want to hide your stories from everyone, you can select hide story from everyone. Okay, so you have to select everyone if you want to hide. So now go back, so your setting is updated. Now click on next, and that's pretty much you need to do in this section. So you have to click on review on another topic. So here you can see how people can find you on Facebook. Alright, so click on continue. Now you can see who can send you friend request. There is set everyone, so set this on friends of friends. Okay, now click on your phone number, set only me, and email, do the same thing as you did. So do you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link your profile? So turn this off and then go ahead. So your data settings on Facebook, so you can see I don't have any kind of apps, or you can see location services on. You can turn this off, not necessary. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now here you actually don't need to do much things. So if you want to turn this Facebook and Messenger and email options, notification options, you can simply turn on, and then you can skip that. All right, so this is how actually things get done. Now if we check more privacy settings, here you can see we have done everything, pretty much everything. So let's see what's missing. Okay, limit past post, right? I forgot to set that. So you can limit your past post. Okay, now here you can see everything is set as I said before. Everything is all right. So yeah, this is how you can make your Facebook profile completely private, and I hope you guys understood how to do it. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, please make sure to comment down below, and feel free to ask anything in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.